We all grow older, but we all want to look younger. Unfortunately, being fat and bald can make you look older and less attractive. Going to the gym and eating healthy can keep you in shape. HDC Hair Clinic can keep and restore your hair. But how can you choose the correct hair clinic? In HDC, our experienced doctors are those that have achieved the results that we show you. They are sustainable, they are great, and they always look good. We have been offering hair transplants since 2003, so we know our job. We have a great post-operation experience. Our patients come here and they can stay up to 1 week and we take care of them. We have a great reputation worldwide. So 80% of our patients come from abroad. Arriving at the airport, our driver will pick you up, will take you to our luxury clinic apartment, and then you will rest and visit the clinic the next day for your operation.
Got an L-shaped sofa, it's quite large, and then you got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Bedroom here has one of those reclining beds because you need to sleep on a 45-degree angle for the first couple nights. This is the day of the surgery, and we're outside the clinic, HDC, and I'm about to go in. Afterwards, the surgeon, Dr. Maraz, meets with you for your consultation and designs your hairline.
Alright, how old are you? 27.
After designing the hairline, it's time for your pictures. And then they shave your head.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is very low density, very low. It's around 60 grafts per square centimeter.
Okay.
In the area where you are lifted. This is in the side. You see it's much more. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around 80. That is average length.
After the initial preparation, the hair transplant surgery will start. We apply local anesthetic to the donor area and punching of the grafts begins. This is done only by our experienced doctors and not by technicians, which is the case in low-cost clinics. You can now see that we use manual punch. We leave intact the surrounding hair from punched hair, which gives less trauma and no depletion to the donor area, thus enabling us to get a higher number of grafts from a given donor.
Okay, so just finished the first day of my operation, and as you can see, I got 2,000 grafts on my head. We're gonna do another 700 to 800 tomorrow. So got a couple post-op instructions. One is to spray saline on my hair every 30 minutes, and also put an ice pack on my head every hour. So I just had my second session today. This is right after post-op. We had about 1,000 grafts that were transplanted today behind the hairline to fill in the gaps. And so here is what it looks like. So it was a much quicker session today. It lasted from about 9:30 to 2 o'clock. And yeah, that's it.
By the way, the patient came to HDC Hair Clinic in Cyprus all the way from the United States. His FQE hair transplant surgery was for 3,000 grafts. You can clearly see in the before photos the hairline design and the area that needs to be covered. Here you can see exactly where these 3,000 grafts have been placed in the photo taken immediately after. Finally, you can see the donor area left with minimal trauma. It's such a clean donor. Even if you're not an expert, you can always spot a good job.
What's up, guys? So it's been 6 months since I had my hair transplant, and wanted to give you guys an update because today I'm gonna go get a haircut. Finally, after months of growing my hair out, I'm finally gonna go to a barbershop and get my hair cut. This is my 7 months update video, and I gotta tell you, 7 months passed by really fast. So here's what my hair looks like right now. This is in a room with pretty good lighting from different angles. The hair in front has grown pretty full now. It's gained a bit of density in the last month or so. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. Alright, so now I'm gonna comb through my hair, but before I do that, let me remind you of what my hair looked like before I had the surgery. Here's some picture of the top and from the side. Alright, so here's me at 7 months, and I'm gonna comb my hair from side to side so you guys can see.
We want to thank the patient for the footage provided. Our greatest reward is to see our patients being happy with their result. To conclude, I want to say that HDC has consistent state-of-the-art hair transplant results over time, which are achieved by the doctors and technicians that have been working with us for the last 10 years. So what you see is what you get. Having a hair transplant with us, you cannot go wrong. And you can be sure that you will get the best that the industry can offer. Don't risk your appearance and personality with a clinic that can just give you a low price. There is no free lunch. What you pay is what you get. With HDC, you get your best value for money. This is a lifetime decision. Please make sure that you take the correct one.